Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking development in the world of neuroscience that could change the lives of many. A team of neurosurgeons at the University of Michigan has successfully completed the first human implantation of a wireless brain-computer interface, aimed at restoring natural communication for patients suffering from motor neuron diseases. This pioneering step is part of a clinical trial designed to enhance the quality of life for those who have lost their ability to communicate. The technology behind this new interface is incredibly advanced. It utilizes a network of 421 microelectrodes implanted in the brain's cortex. These are connected to a transmitter implanted in the chest, which translates neural signals into text and synthesized speech wirelessly. This innovation marks a significant leap forward in the field of infection-resistant neuroprosthetics. The surgery was performed by Matthew Wilsey and Aditya Pandey on a woman with motor neuron disease. The device is intended to break the communication isolation faced by patients with conditions like amyotrophic lateral sclerosis and primary lateral sclerosis. The clinical study, aptly named the Connect-1 Early Feasibility Study, aims to assess the long-term safety of the device and its effectiveness in restoring communication through text and synthesized speech. It also empowers participants to control computers with their thoughts. This project represents a significant challenge and achievement in neurotechnology, aiming to reduce risks associated with traditional wired systems previously used in labs. The new system allows patients to use the device at home, increasing their independence and reducing the likelihood of infections. This scientific innovation is a crucial step toward improving the lives of individuals with motor neuron diseases. Thanks to this technology, participants can regain part of their ability to communicate with the outside world, enhancing their independence and daily quality of life. The implantation of a wireless brain-computer interface is a fundamental shift in how we address neurological diseases and opens the door to further research and innovations in this promising field. For more fascinating science content, make sure to subscribe to Science Hub.